Are you missing replies on your Instagram threads? It's a common issue, and there are several reasons why it might be happening. As of August 2025, Threads uses an algorithm to sort replies, prioritizing those with high engagement and relevance. This means that replies with low engagement might be deprioritized and harder to see. Content moderation systems can also hide replies that are flagged as potentially problematic. Automated systems work to prevent spam and abuse, but sometimes hide legitimate responses. Technical glitches, such as server synchronization issues, can also cause replies to not load properly. These backend problems can prevent replies from appearing even when they exist. Privacy settings, like blocked accounts or replies from private accounts you don't follow, can restrict visibility. If someone is blocked or their account is private, their replies won't appear in your view. Finally, a poor network connection can lead to incomplete loading of replies. Slow internet or unstable connections may prevent all replies from downloading properly. Understanding these factors is the first step in troubleshooting missing replies. Each cause requires different approaches to resolve the issue. Now that we understand why replies might be missing, let's walk through practical solutions to get those missing replies back. We'll start with the quickest fixes and work our way up to more advanced solutions. First, try the simplest solutions. Pull down to refresh the thread, or close and reopen the Threads app completely. This forces the app to reload all content and often resolves temporary display issues. For Android users, clearing the app cache can resolve data conflicts. Go to Settings, then Apps, find Threads, tap Storage, and select Clear Cache. This removes temporary files without deleting your account data. Look for sorting options in the Replies section. Switch between Most Relevant and Most Recent to see if different replies appear. Sometimes the algorithm hides replies that might be shown in chronological order. Network issues can prevent replies from loading completely. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restart your internet connection. Poor connectivity often causes incomplete thread loading. Check your account settings for potential issues. Review your blocked accounts list and verify if missing replies are from private accounts you don't follow. Restricted accounts may not show their replies to you. Ensure your Threads app is updated to the latest version. If problems persist, try logging out and back in, or completely reinstall the app. This resolves most software-related issues. If it's a platform-wide issue, check Threads' official status page or report the problem through their help center. Sometimes the issue isn't on your end, but affects multiple users. Finally, sometimes patience is the solution. Allow 15 to 30 minutes for automatic synchronization. Threads servers may need time to properly sync all replies, especially during high traffic periods. By systematically trying these troubleshooting steps, you can resolve most issues with missing replies on Instagram threads. Start with the quick fixes and work your way through the more advanced solutions as needed.